Welcome back to Wizard Works. Just a quick update on some bits and pieces I'm doing at the moment. Recently I had a 2014 Ford Focus in. Originally coming with a key issue. Now the key was intermittent. It had been tested from a shop and they said it was a key failure issue. Now on an inspection, obviously I contacted the customer and I asked them what was going on, and they said the key was working now and again. When he was in the car, he was saying not connected. So I went ahead and programmed a new key in it, but on programming the new key, it failed on the transponder side. So basically, when delving into it with an IM508 and the various machines, Launch X431, I was getting no communication with the BCM. So I did a lot of things, checks here and there, normal standard procedures, and as I unplugged the BCM, it had water ingesting, obviously from the common issue that the Focus 2000 Focus suffers with, which is the water coming from tracking up the water from the screen wash bottle into the BCM loom. So I've had to try and sort the BCM out. Now Ford have got none in stock in the UK and said there's a back order on them, so I've had to go the second hand route, which is not ideal, but I'm trying to get the customer's car done. So I've had to chop a plug off the BCM, which was absolutely corroded, and reinstall a new plug as well as a new BCM. But I've now got a few gremlins on the car. One of the issues is coming back up now is DPF, high voltage, and ABS 2-foot codes for the near side rear wheel sensors not working. So I've just waited to say I've just purchased this new machine to try and find some diagnostics, because trying to chase wiring looms and faults for wiring harnesses on the car is quite difficult unless you've got pin data or the blueprint of the end or the wiring harness, which I don't actually possess for this car. So I've been looking at this new kit, and it's called the PPKITO3S from Power Probe. It's a master set which consists of lots of various leads. This is obviously being purchased by myself, not being obviously asked them for me to demo. I looked at a few videos myself on it, and it does look a good bit of kit. Now obviously the first thing, it's got various accessories. With this one you get a new probe, and then you get this track and trace kit, which is the ECT 3000, as you can see there. And then variously what this does is it sends a signal. If you look at this, this is the lead for the DPF pressure sensor, which is saying our voltage, which is most probably an open breakage somewhere. So I've checked the voltages, and the one that's a bit dicky, this one, I've connected the machine to, which you connect to the battery. It's not connected at the moment because I'm just about to remove the battery, which I'll put back on just to show what it does. So you connect this back to the battery. So now it's saying it's got an open circuit. So then you use this little device, turn it on. Right, on. Power sensitivity. That's it. So what you do, you wait for the tone, then lock it, and then follow the wire. So you see it's going red all the way down here. Red, 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 red. Go down here. Oh, nothing. Back here, we've got red. Down here, there's absolutely zero. Now it could go along, could go this way, but it doesn't. It tells you that, you see, if you look on the arrows, it tells you which way to go. Obviously, I'm pointing the arrow here just because I'm using the sniffer part of it, because I'm just following the loom down at the moment. But all the way here to where it joins, and then we've got nothing. So that tells me there, where the loom joins the wire there, there's a breakage in the loom. So we'll put the up on the wiring loom and take a look and see what we find. Hopefully breakage in the loom, and that's one of the problems we've got. Then I can move on to the ABS readings and go from there. Hope this enjoys your video, and yeah, I would recommend the ECT 3000. It's not a bad piece of kit.